Hi guys, how's it going? Eggs are enriched with vitamins like vitamin B12, which helps to convert your food to energy. The biggest benefit of egg is it helps to lose weight. Apart from all these benefits, people don't know that eggs can be used as a skincare ingredient. To buy any skincare product, jewelry, skin and hair care product, visit our website beautynovel.com. Here you can get any products you may need. First remedy. Eggs for dry skin. We have to mix an egg yolk and 1 tablespoon of honey, then apply it on your skin and wait for 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse your face. This pack will help you to get rid of excess dry skin, and if you need any skincare product then check our description down below and also watch our product review video. Then you can buy any product from beautynovel.com and use it. Second remedy. Eggs for glowing skin. You have to mix 1 egg whites and besan and apply the mixture on your face. Let the pack dry up and then wash your face with cold water. This pack will make your skin glowing. Third remedy. Eggs to prevent wrinkles. All you have to do is separate the egg whites and apply to your skin by a cotton pad. This will help to regulate the blood circulation. Wash your face when it dries. This pack helps to get rid of the aging lines. And if you need any skincare product, then check our description down below and also watch our product review video. Then you can buy the product from beautynovel.com and use it. Fourth remedy. Eggs for oily acne-prone skin. Mix some multani soil with egg whites and apply to your skin. Leave it for 15 to 20 minutes and let it dry, then wash your face with cold water. This pack will take the excess oil out of your skin and keeps your skin fresh and oil-free. Fifth remedy. Eggs for sensitive skin. Mix some milk with egg and apply to your face. Wash your face after 10 to 15 minutes and then wash your face with cold water. This face pack can be used by everyone. If you were still not getting any improvement by using these 5 remedies, then do check our description down below and watch our product review video. Then you can buy the product from beautynovel.com and use it. These 5 remedies are believed to be some of the best home remedies for skincare, but you have to remember that not every ingredient suits every skin type, so you must be careful about choosing them. Let us know if you liked our video by commenting down below and subscribe to our channel Beauty Novel to get more such videos. And don't forget to watch our product review video. Let us know what kind of video you want next. Till then, stay safe. Goodbye.